Hi there, I'm Miss Clays, the head of PE, and I'm here to talk about your options at GCSE to do with PE and sport. The qualification we offer is the OCR Cambridge National Technical, which is sports science based. It is the equivalent of a GCSE and different to BTEC options. It is broken into 4 units and they are the following. 3 of them are coursework and assignment based and 1 of them is an exam. Our first unit is application of principles of training, where there is 4 assignments. The second one is technology in sport, which is 4 assignments. The third one is the body's response to physical activity, which is broken into 4 assignments. And then the final one is an exam, reducing the risk of sports injuries. It's a 1-hour exam and 60 marks. There is an opportunity to resit this once throughout the 3 years. Grading. You see here we start with Distinction Star Level 2 is the top grade that you can get. You'll be aiming for somewhere around here. So we've got the Level 1, which is failed, pass Level 1, merit Level 1, distinction Level 1, and then you've got pass Level 2, merit Level 2, distinction Level 2, and then the top grade, which is Distinction Star Level 2. We should be aiming for pass Level 2 above and above. Lots of opportunities after you take this course, looking at sports science, maybe biology, something you're into, health and social care, and it's also a great partner for maths and English as well, because there is a lot of assignments, so a lot of writing here and there about sports science. Only 2 main qualities needed to do this course: hard work and that you are interested in PE and sport. It's really important those 2 things, those 2 qualities come into the course, and we hope you have those ready to take this course in September. Thanks for listening.